We just got in the room and we knew it was going to be small. This is cozy. It's actually bigger than I actually thought it was going to be based on the pictures. It's like it just reminds me of a camp cabin.
Tiny.
Let me go over here.
Oh, just a minute. Let me buy.
Oh my god, the sink's on top of the bathtub.
Oh, really?
Oh, there's a little suitcase thing for you there.
Where am I going to put it?
Is that a fridge under there? Yeah, mini fridge.
Nice.
And a kettle. Little lamp.
The mini fridge.
Perfect. Right? Good job, guys.
I think this,
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
this reminds me of a cruise ship room.
Yeah.
It's bigger than a cruise ship room.
A little bit.
Oh my god. Noodle shop for lunch. Complimentary cold green tea to eat with your meal. On our way to the Imperial Palace. We've made it to the part of the city where the Harry Potter attractions are. The exit from the subway is all decorated and Harry Potter themed music. This is the Harry Potter Cafe.
Madeline, that was the theater.
Oh!
Do you go in there, Madeline?
So we are waiting in line for this restaurant that Madeline found on social media. And here's the lineup. There was 13 more people in front of us. They've just gone in gradually. Every once in a while a cook comes and gets supplies out of this cupboard right here. They take the orders outside in the lineup. We're in after an hour and a half in line. It was worth it. Tokyo's Disney Sea today.
There's Nemo. 30,000 leagues under the sea. It's going to be opportunistic and just watch everything going on the set.
This is the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea area. Wow.
よろしくね。すべての季節に忘れずに届けてね。
What do you think, Malin? What do you think, Eric?
Oh my God, this is so
You
exciting!
love it?
I wish I had my friend Chris here.
The famous green mochi.
You've been trying to find mochis forever.
This is a one-way trip, so please take everything on board with you, including strollers. Have a wonderful day.
This area of the theme park is fashioned after Venice, Italy. When Madeline and I were in Venice, we never got to go on a gondola boat ride, so we're gonna do it today. Another noodle shop, this time homemade udon noodles. So the soup was $6 and the tempura shrimp was $1.60 and a chicken tempura $1.60. Pretty neat. We're over at Meiji Jingu Shrine. Kind of neat, eh? Now a visit to Shibuya Crossing, the busiest intersection in the world. Wow. This is crazy. Hey? Tokyo's Starbucks Roastery, the largest Starbucks in the world. They actually roast coffee beans here and bag it.
What do you think of this place, Madeline? Yeah, no kidding.
Tokyo's famous Tsukuji Fish Market. Where's your dad? Oh, there he is. The sweet potato. Bought some super fresh sushi to try.
Well, I don't know get that one.
We saw these strawberry mochi were really popular on social media. So of course we had to try them too. How is it? We walked across the street to this Buddhist temple dating to the 17th century. The view of the city along this walk was just beautiful. We're at Dex Mall now, and we found a restaurant to have some lunch. I have a vegetable stir fry, some egg soup. It came with some rice, and Madeline is trying the shrimp, and Eric has a sizzler. And we got some dumplings.
And then when it's about to be done, we pour a little oil.
This is the area outside of the Dex Mall. Very beautiful views and a Statue of Liberty.
Take a pan
View out the subway window on the way back to our hotel after leaving Dex Mall.